Welcome to Rose Cuddles. Today, let's talk about joint families. Today, people have become much smaller, independent. So, families, the joint family का जो रिवाज है, that is almost over. But I think in America it has come back in a big way. They say that 40% of Americans stay as a joint family. At least one child, his wife, and his children stay with the parents. Now, let us look at the advantages of a joint family. Firstly, is the economics part. That means if you all of you stay in one home, your overheads get distributed, and you all live at almost 60% of the cost. Second thing is that when three generations stay together, the old get to live with young people and they feel better and younger. The younger get wisdom from the elderly, दादी की कहानियाँ, नानी की कहानियाँ. Now these are all full of wisdom. And if you even see today, people say, oh, मेरी नानी ये कहती थी कि बेटा हमेशा ये करो, और वो आज तक मेरे साथ है. So these words of wisdom, please understand, reading a story is knowledge. The moral of the story is wisdom. So there was a lot of wisdom being shared in a joint family. There was a lot of comfort in the sense that people could work, their children were staying very safe at home with their grandparents, and it was like a sanja chula. That means a common hearth. Everybody enjoyed the same meal, but yes, there was a lot of tolerance. People did not want their own space, as we call today. They did not want their own freedom. Everybody was together, and I think people became more emotionally intelligent. And I also feel that people who stay in joint families can mix around with people much better because they learn to live, they learn to share, they learn to do sacrifices for each other. If you want to even have a pet, a dog, or a couple of dogs, a joint family can handle because somebody is always there at home. Whereas a working couple, how can you keep a dog? How can you keep a pet? Because then you are bound. That is the reason why many of us who love dogs and pets do not keep them because of a nuclear family. Now, nuclear family has become an atomic family because within 3 bedrooms you got 3 televisions, 3 separate channels being played. Children see something else, mother sees something else, and father sees something else. And everybody has different timings for dinner, everybody has different timing for lunch, which is not so in a joint family. And people listen to each other. That's the most important part. And you give some, you take some. There are pros and cons, there are advantages, there are disadvantages. But I think advantages of a joint family far outweigh the disadvantages. And I think if we come back, and it is not an Indian concept, it's not a concept of East. Yes, to a large extent we had. See why Maharajas and Rajas and Nawabs had Havelis? Because in a 20 bedroom Haveli, two of you cannot stay. You will get scared. So you need a large family to stay in a Haveli, and that's why when you go back to these palaces, small palaces, Havelis, big called kothis, in let's say 2 acres, 3 acres, 5 acres. It was basically to stay together. I think together we should sail, and this concept, I feel, if it comes back, it will be a wonderful thing for India too. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching your Rose Ka Dose. Thank you.